What does 3 strikes have to do with developing drop shot consistency? Stay tuned. Hey everybody, it's CJ Johnson. This is our final video in the drop shot series. In the first one we talked about fundamentals, and in the next 2 I gave you a couple of drills that are designed to develop skills and to build on each other. If you missed any of those videos, make sure that you stick around to the end and I will share a link so you can go back and review those. If you're like me, you may have a case of FOMO. F-O-M-O, fear of missing out. If that sounds like you, and you want to make sure you know everything about pickleball, including drills, instruction, gear, fitness, make sure that you click the subscribe button and then the bell. That way, you'll never miss another video from this channel. 3 strikes isn't just for baseball. In this drill, we are trying to see how many consecutive unattackable drop shots we can hit before we accumulate 3 strikes. In this drill, one player is at the non-volley zone and the other is at the baseline. The player at the non-volley zone pitches the ball to the batter who's standing at the baseline. Begin counting consecutive drops once the first ball lands in the kitchen. Keep counting until you hit the first ball into the net or past the non-volley zone. That's your first strike. Start over and repeat the drill until you get 3 strikes. The highest number of consecutively hit drop shots is your score for that inning. If you want a little less challenge, start at the center of the court and then work your way backwards. If you want a little bit more challenge, only count unattackable balls as runs. That means the apex of the bounce is below the net. If you'd like even more challenge, the player at the non-volley zone should attack anything that bounces high. If you missed any of the videos in the series, click right here. And if you're part of the Better Pickleball community, make sure that you check your inbox for some additional tips and suggestions on how you can play better pickleball. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up or share it with your pickleball playing friends, because together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.